Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today I will take on another speed challenge. First I will try to draw an elephant in 10 minutes, then in 1 minute, and finally in 10 seconds. Let's see how we do. Let's program the timer to 10 minutes. Very good. Ready? Start! First, I'll block in the overall shape to make sure I have the correct proportions. So I marked the top and here the bottom of the feet. Let's draw two slanted lines for the sides. One here that will mark the width of the head and go down to the side of the feet, and the other one for the other side over here. Now our elephant, in theory, should fit inside of this envelope. And the head should arrive about here. Alright. I am speeding up the video a little bit to make this 10 minutes shorter. Now that we have it all blocked in, we can draw for real. The eyes will be on this part over here, and from here will be the upper part and the beginning of the trunk, which comes down and falls or curls at the end. The ears will go a little bit beyond the envelope that I did already. And I erased the eyes because they were way high. They should have been here, a bit lower. And the trunk coming down like so. Now the tusks, which turn a bit. I'll correct that to make it smoother. And now for the 4 minutes that we have left, I'll try to do some shading. Some shading and some texture. Some elephant crinkly texture. We do this mainly by scribbling. Almost 2 minutes left. Oh my god, I need to hurry. I'll darken a bit and try to define the ears and other parts better. And let's go in real time for the last 10 seconds. What should I do? I haven't even looked at it as a whole. The eyes should definitely be bigger and the feet need some fixing and more shading. Oh no, it's over. The time is over. I wanted to shade all this area, but that's fine. And the other foot that is stepping up looks terrible, but that's life. Let's set the timer for 1 minute now. Like this, it's ready. Now my strategy for 1 minute will be to do a very fast envelope and then try to fit in there the main shapes at least. Of course, I will not be doing detail or shading. Ready, set, go! The top and the bottom, then the sides. Okay, we have the envelope. Let's see, the head will be here, and so the ear, and the other ear. Oh, one is huge, but that's fine. The eyes, and now let's come down to the part that holds the trunk, which starts here and comes all the way down. 35 seconds. His right leg and the left. His left foot stepping up, and let's define this a little bit better. Alright, the top of the head. I'll redraw the shape of the ears. We have 15 seconds. Oh dear. Let's define the forehead, and I haven't drawn the tusks. Let's do that in these seconds left. One here and the other one over here. Let's draw the other foot quickly. Oh no, it's time. It's over. And this was worse than what I imagined. Let's place the timer on this side to make space for the last drawing. Let's set it to 0 minutes and 10 seconds. Oh my god. Like that. I think I need a support team to draw an elephant in 10 seconds. Now with this team of lefties, we can give it a shot. Ready, set, go! the head, both ears at once down here, the eyes, trunk, the legs, quickly, and the tusks. It's over. Maybe it wasn't the greatest elephant, but I think it was lots of fun. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to find our tips, and click on the bell to get notifications of new videos. Let me know if you want to see other challenges, and I will see you on Tuesday.